Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our 7th class physical science, motion and time. So generally this is a question answer video where I show the keywords and improve your learning, which is known as a question answer. In this lecture we are going to see. If you have any kinds of doubt regarding to this one, so you can look at in your textbook and you can clear your doubt. Okay, so let's just start from the keywords. So here the first keyword is that motion. The second is rest, translatory motions, rotatory motion, excess of rotations, oscillatory motions, speed, average speed, uniform motion, non-uniform motion. So actually in this keyword there is a lot of keyword which is not present in your textbook also. So there is a also that keywords are also given in this notebook, so you can check out that. So whenever you are getting any doubt anywhere, so just go to your textbook and look at in your textbook. Okay, so this is a rectangular motion and this is a curvilinear motions and this is a time. Actually these are not given in your textbook. Actually 8 to 9 keywords are given in your textbook, so you can check out. So now let's move to the improve your learning, which is known as the question answer, and this is the first question that state whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the wrong statement correctly. So this is the first question, okay, and this is the answer. This is the correctly answer. This is a question, this is the answer. Again I am telling you, this is a question, okay, and this is the answer. This is a C. The wheel of the train are in the rotatory motions as well as in translatory motion when it is moved, and this is the correct answer of that particular answer. Okay, so let's go to the second question. The second question is that John tried to store to be string and whirl to the round. What type of motion do you find there? Rotatory motion. Okay, so let's go to this third question. What is the common of the following? Motion of the propeller of the flying helicopters, the minute hand of the watch, the tape of the castrate's record. These are the options which is given. Option A, option B, option C, option D. And in this option, which is the correct? This is option C, all the examples of the rotatory motion. So in the question, in the third one, whatever the questions is examples are given, these examples are the examples of the rotatory motion. So option C is the correct in this one. Okay, so let's move to our fourth question. Which is the flowing is not a oscillatory motion? Okay, so these are the questions. The first option is given here, you can look at in your textbook also. Second is there, third, and this is fourth. But in this one, the option D, motion of the horse pulling a cart, is it a correct answer? Okay, so let's go to the fifth one. Arun completed a 100 meters race in 16 seconds. Well, Kartik finished it is in the 13 seconds. Who ran faster? So of course Kartik. Why? Because both is running same distance, but the Arun take a lot of time to complete that, but the Kartik he takes 13 seconds. It means that Kartik reaches before the Arun. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So let's talk about the sixth one. So you have to understand the sixth question clearly. This is the sixth question. A train runs from the New Delhi to Hyderabad. It's cover first distance 420 kilometers in 7 hours and the next distance that much. Okay, Gopi takes this is like something second question it is. He drive a distance 7 kilometers in the first seconds on the 3rd hours. This is the first question, this is the second question, and it is asking which of the following statement is true. So here the statement 1. The statement 1 is that, okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so here statement 1. Statement 1 is for what? It is for the non-uniform motion, different distance, different time. Okay, now this is statement 2. The answer for statement 2, what do we have to write? This is for the uniform motion, same distance. Which answer is correct? Option B. Answer B. In this one, the answer this one. I is an example of non-uniform motion, and second, that's the second is an example of uniform motion. So what is your answer? your answer is this. Okay, now option C you can write, option B is the correct, and you can write this line. Otherwise you can write option B, then you can write this statement. Okay now, right, I hope this is clear. So let's go to the next question. So the next question is that write the motion of the different part of a bicycle while it is in the motion. So this is the parts, this is a type of motion: wheel, chain, pedal, rider feet, rider with bicycle. Okay, so this is a question 8. Which of the following statement is correct? So these are the options, these are the 4 options. In these 4 options, which is the correct? So option A, the basic unit of the time in seconds, is the correct answer. Okay, so let's talk about the 9th one. So this is a 9th question. The basic unit of a speed in SI system is. What is the basic unit of speed? Meter per second. You know, the basic unit of speed is meter per second. So option D, meter per second. So in this option, kilometer minute is given, meter minute is given, kilometer hour is given, but here the meter seconds is the correct answer. Okay, let's talk about our 10th one. The correct relation between speed, distance and time is. Speed, the first one is given, speed equals to distance cross time. Okay, so it is like d cross t, means distance and time. This is speed, time by distance. It is telling about time by distance. Okay, but this is telling speed, distance by time. It is telling that s equals to d by t, and this fourth one is telling about distance equals to speed of n time. So which is correct? Option D is option C is correct, because speed equals to distance by time. So this is the correct answer. So option C is the correct, distance by time. Okay, so the fourth question is given. The distance between two stations in 240 kilometers, a train takes 4 hours to cover this distance. Calculate the speed of the train. Okay, so 240, okay, for the 4 hours. So how many, what is the speed of the train? 60 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is a simple maths question of the division. The distance between two stations is 240 kilometer. Okay na, if I try to explain you, this is a distance 1, this is A and this is B. Okay, this distance, this is the distance of a two station. Okay, this is one station, this two station distance is 240 kilometers. Is this train take cover 4 times? For covering this distance, train how many times he take? 4 hours he take. In the 4 hours, train run 240 kilometers. So it is asking in the 1 hour how many distance he cover. So you can easily divide 2 by 240. When you divide, the answer will be 60. So the 60 kilometer the answer. Okay na? Is it clear? Right, so this is a 12th question. Okay, a train travels a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. How far it will travel in the 4 hours? So this is the multiplication question. So it is asking the train goes how many kilometers? 180 kilometers. 180 kilometers in 1 hour. So in 4 hours how many kilometers he go? So directly multiply. When you multiply, so this is 270 kilometers in the 4 hours. Simply in the 4 hours, 420 kilometers the train will be go. Simple. These are the questions. Okay, so we will go to the next question. When do you say an object is in the rotatory motion? The answer is given, you can look at that answer. And the 14th question is that can an object is possess translatory and rotationally motion at the same time? Give an example. Okay, so this is the 15th question. This question is big, so if I read this actually the time of the video is going to be long. So 15 question is there, and this is the particular answer is there. Okay, let's go to the 16 one. This is a section question. In a swing machines used to be like Taylor mentioned in the type of the motion in swimming machines part of the when it is run, and this is the answer. Part is there: wheel, needle and cloth. Type of the motion: rotatory, oscillatory, and this is translatory. Okay, so this chapter is ended here. If you have any kinds of doubt in this one, you can tell to me. If you are looking for the other subjects question answer, so just go to our channel and you can check out in the playlist. If it is not there, you can comment and we will upload that particularly question answer. And this lecture is totally ended here, and we will meet in the next video. Jai Hind.